In this week's court report, back in court on Friday, Annika Martin for her status check regarding diversion and evaluation. During that proceeding, that area defendant, who was arrested back in 2017 and charged with trespassing after being filmed and having that video posted on social media and featured on Cops, appeared in court while in custody. Then the court read the report and states that Martin qualifies for the substance abuse treatment. Martin's defense attorney, Jason Ernest, discussed a requirement of 90 days of treatment, then states that Martin is already accepted into a treatment program and has a bed available now. The court states supervision might be up to 1 year, and the defendant must complete the treatment program satisfactorily to not be sentenced. Then Martin was released that day to the inpatient treatment plan. Once treatment is complete, Martin must admit to drug court immediately. Then Martin will receive 3 years probation once treatment is complete with all the special terms and conditions. Then a total of $878 in restitution was discussed with parole and probation, noting that the Nevada revised statute states that the restitution must go to someone, noting the specific name of Martin's victim. Finally, the court notes that Martin has 213 days credit for time served and ordered her to 120 days of drug treatment. Martin faces the formal charges of possession of a controlled substance, unlawful use of a controlled substance, and order, attempt, or commission of unauthorized acts. George Allen Prentice, the local man arrested after admitting to police that he was inappropriately touching a female minor for the purpose of sexual conduct, has his arraignment hearing continued again, this time to November. Prentice had his arraignment in district court first scheduled in August, then on September 21st, on which date Prentice requested more time regarding a proposed guilty plea agreement. Then the defendant's arraignment was continued again to October 12th, but on that date, Prentice's defense attorney, Brent Percival, states that Prentice was not prepared to enter a guilty plea. So the court continued this matter to November 16th. Prentice is facing the charge of lewdness with a child under 14. The Pahrump man arrested after inquiring if NCSO Sergeant David Berukowitz would accept money to look the other way while the suspect grew marijuana in Amargosa Valley illegally, was scheduled in district court for a status check mental evaluation return. But Robert Samuel Behrens Jr. was not present in court for that proceeding because he was still at Stein Hospital. So Behrens' attorney, Brent Percival, requested a continuance of 60 days and agrees to notify the court if those matters can be cleared sooner. The court concurred and without objection continued the matters to December 3rd. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.